Namaste students. Students, in last class we have learnt addition chapter. The total addition chapter we have learnt adding the two-digit numbers with carry and without carry, and adding three-digit numbers with carry and without carry. Then we have learnt also statement sums. Okay, so that complete chapter will be over. So now today the another concept, another one main chapter is subtraction. It is a very important chapter. Okay, so today, so you have in the first standard already learned these concepts. So subtraction, so subtraction means take away. So subtraction means take away from one number from another number. Okay, so now look at that. So you have know the number line concept, and then so subtraction means we can backward, so we can counting the backward numbers, so it is called as subtraction. Now look at the board, so we can just some concepts has to be recalled. That subtraction means taking away, you can taking away one number from another number, one number in the number ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. So it is called as subtraction. The sign, the subtraction sign is indicates this sign. This is a sign of subtraction sign, indicates subtraction. It is called as minus. It is subtraction sign, it is called as minus. The answer of subtraction, what is the answer will be there, that is called as difference. The answer of subtraction is called as difference. So it is a number line. So how to subtract, I am already told, counting backward. Subtraction means ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಷನಲಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ 12 minus 4. We can subtract 12 minus 4. First we have to count it 0 to up to 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. First we have to go. That's it. Yes, is there 12? Now 4 we have to come back. 4 has to be come back to. So ನಾಲ್ಕು ನಂಬರ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. So it is backward. So okay, 11. Okay, 1 already over. 2, 3, 4. Okay, first one 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. What is the answer? 12 less 4, so we get answer 8. This is the answer. So this answer we can call it as difference. Keep in the mind. So what is the answer is 8 is come, that 8 answer is called as difference. Okay, so this is the one number line part. So we can subtract. So subtract means counting backward, counting backward. So we can learn 10 less 3. 10 is there, less 3. 1, 2, 3. So remaining 7. So we can counting backward. 25 less 2. So it is 24, 23. So we can counting backward. That is called as subtraction. Okay, so I hope all of you understand the subtraction. Okay, I will go for another one question. Okay, so you have to write another one number line. So okay, I will take the another example. Take another example. Okay, so you have to draw another one. I will drop that. Okay, you have to draw another one number line. Okay, so I will use to 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8. So in the get set go, examples are there in your textbook. Okay, you have to find out the answer. 14 minus 8. So okay, so we can count it here to up to 14. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now first, so first number is 14. So we have to go for 0 to 14. 0 to 14. Then next, so we can counting back up to 8. So 8 places we come to count back to write the answer. So how many? So we can count it 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much is answer? 6. Okay, now we have to count it. Write it. First one, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what is the answer of 6? What is the answer of 14 less 8? How much is? That is 6. That is 6. So this is the subtraction. Find out the answers. Okay, so it is, keep in the mind, subtract means counting backward. Counting backward. So keep in that mind. Okay, so now I will go for some examples. I will take that. Okay, so we have to subtract the counting backwards. Okay, some examples I have taken. Okay, now examples I will there in the blackboard. So blackboard, subtract counting backward. Subtract counting backward. So 85 minus 4. 85 minus 4. So what is the 85 minus 4? So we can 85. So subtract counting back. Subtract counting back. 84. Okay, then 83, 82, 81. So we can count it. So 85 less 4. So we get answer 81. Okay. Now, so we can count it another 32 less 6. 32 less 6. 31. Next 30. Next 29, 28, 27, 26. So we can subtract 32 less counting backward. So it is, answer is 26. Now 67 minus 5. 67 minus 5. We can counting backward. 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62. 62. Now 80 minus 4. 80 minus 4. 80 after that 79. Next 78, 77. Okay, 76. So this is the counting backward numbers. So we have to start in the textbook. Counting backwards or get set go is there. You have to solve remaining. Okay. So this is the subtract by counting backward concept. Okay. So now I will go for subtraction facts. What are the subtraction facts are there? So and then how to subtract. So without carry and with carry. Now I will start the main concept. Okay, so this is you have already learned in the first standard. So now I will go for subtraction facts. Okay, now students, so we can learn now subtraction facts. What are the facts of subtraction are there? Okay, so now look at the board. By subtracting one, so by subtracting one from a number, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So one can be subtract. Okay, we get the previous number. So answer ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? We get previous number. The difference is previous number. Before number ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So okay, how it is come? Guruji 9 is there. I less 1. 9 less 1, 8. Okay. 15 less 1, 14. 15 less 1, 14. Okay. By subtracting 1 from any number, from a number or any number, so we get the previous number or before number. That is the first one fact. Okay, so I will take the examples. First one. Okay, tell me that 25 minus 1. 25 minus 1. What is that answer? 24. Yes. Second one example. Okay, 105 minus 1. So it is 104. Next, third one example. Okay, 228 minus 1. 228 minus 1. It is what is answer? 227. Fourth one. Okay, so again on last one I will take the example. 400 minus 1. What is your answer? 400 minus 1. 400 before number is 399. 399. These are differences are called previous number or before number, are also called as predecessor of the number. Predecessor means before number. So we can use to this word in third standard onwards. Third standard you have onwards, you have to listen these words. Okay, so we can call it as predecessor or also called as previous number. So this is the first one fact. I will go for second one. When a number is subtracted from itself, when a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. The answer is 0. So itself number, same number we can subtract it, we get the answer is 0. So now I will take the examples. First one, okay, 10 minus 10. What is the answer? 0. Next, second example, okay, 20 minus 20. What is the answer? 20, 0. Okay, next one, third one, okay, 215 minus 215. Same number, itself numbers can be subtracted. We get answer is 0. Keep in the mind. So in the examination, I am asking for this type of questions. When a number is subtracted from itself, so itself numbers subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ answer, the difference is 0. Okay, itself, the difference means what? The answer of subtraction. Keep in the mind. So answer of, the answer of subtraction is called difference. So keep in the mind, when a number is subtracted from itself, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. You have already know that examples. Okay, last one I will example taken. Fourth one, 887 minus 887 equals to 0. The answer will be 0. So keep in the mind, the subtract itself numbers, the answer is totally 0. Okay, so finally, last one, third fact. Last one, third one fact. It is a very, very important concept. Subtracting 0 from a number, ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಜೀರೋನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ means no subtraction. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, so we cannot subtract anything. So 0 cannot be subtract anything. Okay, so the difference is number itself. The answer ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so just one example. Okay, 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0. What is your answer? The answer is 9. So what is the number itself? The same answer will be there. Okay, the answer is itself. Okay, first one example. Second one example. Okay, 29 minus 0. 29 minus 0. The answer is 29. So we can subtract 0 from any number. 0 from a number. Here no subtraction. So the difference is what? Difference ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Itself answer. The answer is itself. So I will take the last third one example. Okay, 126 minus 0. What is the answer? 126 minus 0. The answer is 126. Okay, 6 less 0. The answer is 6. 19 minus 0. The answer is 19. So this type of questions. Okay, these are the examples of subtracting 0 from a number, means no subtraction. The difference is itself, number itself. Okay, so learn these properties. So I have to asking for in the periodic test 2 examinations. Okay, carefully you have to read all the points. Okay, so now I will go for subtracting, so with carry and without carry. Okay. Okay, now students, so subtracting 2-digit numbers with carry and without carry. Okay, so in the previous first standard you have already learned, is very easy. So without carry, so and then with carry, so telling different. So my side is as telling different. So just we have to look at that. Okay, first we can subtract without carry. Okay, okay, now 7 less 2. 7 less 2. So 1, 2. Remaining 5. Now it is very easy. 8 less 3, 8. 8. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, now subtracting 2-digit numbers without carry and with carry. So we can easily subtract it. Okay, 7 less 2, 5. Okay, 8 less 3. So we can take the 8 less 3. 8 less 3. So how much? 5. Next, 4 less 1. 4 less 1, 3. Next, 9 less 3. So we can take the 9 fingers and then less 3. Without carry is very easy. 9 less 3, 6. Okay. Now 8 less 8. So subtract itself numbers. Subtract itself. What is the subtract itself number? Answer is the difference is 0. We can directly. So you know the properties of facts of subtraction. Okay. 2 less 1, 1. Now 7 less 0. The answer is itself 7. 7 less 0, 7. 4 less 1, 3. So this is the subtract without carry. Subtract without carry. So it is very, very easy concept. So now I will go for subtracting two digit numbers with carry. So it's very different. Okay. So now here it is ones, it is tens. So do you know all of you? Okay. It is ones, it is tens. It is ones, it is tens. It is ones, it is tens. So when subtracting numbers, we can start the subtracting numbers. The upper number, so it is upper number. This number is bigger. This number is bigger. So in the downside number, below number, it is smaller. Keep in the mind. The order of a subtraction is the first number, the upper of the number, first number is bigger. So it is 94 bigger, 31 is smaller. So this is the order of subtraction. First, you know, this order of subtraction, when smaller number is upper, bigger number is, okay, we can totally compare 42 here 19. Okay, so when the upper, so we can start the subtracting. Smaller number is upper, downside number is bigger. We can take the carry of the another side. So we can take the carry to take the another side. So look at that. So 3 is not less 7. So we can tens place having a number. 9 is there. We can take the carry to ones place. Carry means 10. Carry means 10. 10. Then remaining another number is there. We can adding that number. So okay. So 3 is not less 7. Take the carry to tens place. Guruji tens place ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 100 place ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಎನಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೊ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3 ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಎನಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಎನಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಗುರುಜಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಸೊ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಗುರುಜಿ ಇದರಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 9 ಲೆಸ್ 1 8 ಈ 1 ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 10 ಇದನ್ನ 3 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 10 plus 3 11 12 13 okay now it is 13 now it is 13 now 13 less 7 13 less 7 so it is totally 12 so these are the 12 okay so now I will use to 13 okay so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 okay so 13 has to be there so 13 we have less 7 13 less 7 okay 1 2 3 4 5 6 so we can complete it so now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so remaining is 13 less 7 6 13 less 7 6 no 8 less 2 6 8 less 2 6 okay it is another way so it is totally 12 is there so this is 12 and taken another one 13 okay so now I will use to another one 12 less 2 is not less 9 2 only 9 less kalakagala so take the carry so tens place in the carry ಮಾಡಬೇಕು it is 3 1 less ಆಗುತ್ತೆ so then you can give to the carry to ones place it is 12 so after the carry means 10 adding 2 so it is 12 okay 12 less 9 so we can write the lines if it is confused so take the lines 12 lines 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 less 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 remaining 1 2 3 okay now 3 less 1 2 okay so now go for third one example okay it is another way so we can use to finger any you have to using anyone we can use okay 0 is not less 5 0 is not less 5 take the carry it is 10 plus 4 it is 10 10 plus 0 10 give the carry to 10's place to 1's place now 10 less 5, 5. 10 less 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining 5. Now 4 less 1, 3. So this is the way to subtract. Now again another one. Go for last one question. 6 is not less 9. So we have to start the subtracting ones place first, then tens place, then hundred place. So keep in the mind. So ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ addition ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ones place in the first 10 100 place ones place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ones place ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 6 is not less 9. Take the carry to tens place. So it is less 1. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಟು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 10 plus 6 16. 10 plus 6 16. Now 16 less 9, so we can take the lines of 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, we can subtract 16. So 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So remaining 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now 7 less 3 4. Okay, these are the examples of subtracting two digit numbers without carry and with carry. Okay, so sometimes without carry cannot understand, you can take the help of your parents, no problem. Okay, so if you ask, so come to school, any doubts is there, you can come to school, I will tell the, so you have to learn it. Okay, so now this is the subtraction chapter. Okay, what I'm writing on the board, you have to write in the CW. Okay, so and then you have to solve some page number 39 and 30, sorry, 39 and 41. So these are the examples you have to solve in the textbook and one time HW also. Okay, so watch the video and improve your knowledge. Okay, dhanyawad students, thank you so much.